scene opens in a quiet kitchen. A single banana sits on the counter. Suddenly, a flash of lightning strikes. Narrator: in a world full of hunger and villains, one fruit dares to fight back. The banana transforms into Banana Man, wearing a mask. Gloves, boots, and a cape. Blue lightning crackles around him. Banana Man. Evil beware. The power of potassium is here. He raises his fist, glowing with energy. The ordinary banana on the counter shakes in awe. Narrator: stronger than a smoothie, faster than a blender. He's the hero this kitchen deserves. Banana Man. Justice is ripe and it's time to peel out. Banana Man leaps off the counter as heroic music plays. The screen fades to black with the bold words,